Hi lovely people, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you love to see how we made this appetizing baobab fruit ice cream right here in my African village, kindly watch to the end. I shall be making use of baobab fruits, some powdered non-dairy milk and condensed milk. I shall also be making use of vanilla essence. This is optional. These sticks will also be needed for our ice cream. I'll be using these cups which I've rinsed already. The first thing I need to do is to soak the baobab fruits for some few hours or at least 30 minutes. This is to enable me extract the juice from the fruits. This is our baobab fruits after some few hours. I'll mash it in this manner for a while, then afterwards I'll use a sieve to strain it. It is not easy to come by ice cream in an African village, and ice cream is something that should not be consumed regularly, but once in a while you might want to take some ice cream. So I decided to use these baobab fruits to make an ice cream. Please watch to the end, like the video, and let's see how it goes. So these are the seeds of the baobab fruit, and here is our baobab fruit juice. I'll pour the powdered milk into this bowl, and then I'll add the condensed milk to it. I'll not be adding sugar to it because the condensed milk already contains sugar. So I'll add the condensed milk and then I'll mix everything together to form a paste. At this point, if you have a hand whisk, you can go ahead and use it, but I'll be using my spoon to mix this. Our powdered milk and condensed milk is well mixed at this point. I'll strain the baobab juice one more time into the powdered milk and condensed milk paste. Then I'll go ahead and mix everything together. Guys, look what we have in here. Please take note, I did not use the first sieve for the second straining. I used a different sieve. At this point, I'll stir this continuously until it is well mixed. Our ice cream is almost ready. I'll now go ahead and add the vanilla essence to it, and then I'll use a spoon to mix this, and we are done. We've gotten to the exciting part. This is where we transfer our fruit juice into the cups. In Ghana, this kind of ice cream is popularly known as Abele walls. I will then insert the sticks, and then we'll put this in the freezer to freeze. So I'm going to leave this overnight because it's already late here. I'll also tie some in our ice cream rubber. So lovely people, I'll see you all tomorrow. After this is ready, I'll show you how it looks like. This is the next day, and here we have our baobab ice cream or our Baobab Abele walls. This looks so appetizing. So these are the ones we've put in the cups, and the ones we've also tied in the rubber are also here. So we'll take one of the ones in the cups and see how it looks like. Please, if you have watched to this point and you haven't liked the video, please go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Wow, look at our ice cream. It looks so appetizing. My little sister has decided to taste for us today, and as we can see from her smile, she is really enjoying the ice cream. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this ice cream, and also like the video and share with your loved ones.